Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix app not downloading on App Store. So how to fix, first of all, you as can see apps not downloading. So first of all, go back your home screen and open your setting. From here you tap on your Wi-Fi, and from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. You have turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on your Apple ID banner name, scroll down, and from here you sign out your Apple ID, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and tap on your journal, and from here you tap on date and time. You make sure that turn on about toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on your reset, and tap on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and tap on again reset network setting, and after reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. Go back and open your again App Store and install any one apps, and tap on install. You as can see, wait a some seconds. You as can see install apps. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.